Welcome everyone. Question on organic chemistry. The product of the reaction is when propane gas is passed through a red hot iron tube at 600 degrees centigrade. Product choices are A. Cyclohexane, B. Benzene, C. 1,3,5 trimethyl benzene, D. 1,3,5 triethyl benzene. Answer is C. 1,3,5 trimethyl benzene or mesitylene. Mechanism of this reaction we will see in the next slide. This is the first molecule of propane, the second molecule of propane, and the third molecule of propane. When propane gas is passed through a red hot iron tube at 600 degrees centigrade, 3 molecules of propane are combined to form one molecule of 1,3,5 trimethyl benzene or mesitylene. Thank you for watching this video.